It's Ty the Real Estate Guy. Today I'm in Eagle Mountain searching for the best homes that are available on the market. We're looking at new construction homes for a client from out of state. And they want to stay under the price of $550,000, which is the same thing I helped my client find last week here in Eagle Mountain. So hopefully you'll enjoy the tour. I'm headed down to City Center first. That's generally going to be about 10 minutes further from the ranches, which is closer to Saratoga Springs. Unfortunately, the home that was number one on our list literally went under contract like 20 minutes ago. Talking to the builder, they have another same floor plan that's just a little further out from completion. We'll probably check that one out last, but I'm gonna do something I don't normally do, and I'm gonna start with the best value first. So the biggest house at the best price. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Eagle Mountain, it's about 35 to 50 minutes from Salt Lake City, depending on where you live. It's also located west of Lehigh City and Saratoga Springs. And then you have the ranches of Eagle Mountain and then down into City Center, which is about 10 to 15 minutes further. And just a quick warning for you guys, this video will not be cleanly edited as normal. I'm not sending it to my editors. I'm basically just gonna throw it together so you guys can see which houses are available right now, because houses are selling a little faster than they have been in the past. So I need to get this video out super quick. So this is called the Redwood plan. It's 2380 finished square feet, 3,424 total square feet, priced at 516,259. We'll step inside and give you guys a quick tour. Okay, so stepping in the front door here, you can see you got the family room in front of you, but you have this nice office area here at the front of the house. This is a big, nice, wide family room here. Lots of windows. You got the ceiling fan there. Dining area, and then the kitchen. Extra thick countertops here. Upgraded cabinets. You can see 42-inch cabinets. Got the big single bowl sink here as well. Everything's included except for the refrigerator. This is gonna be your garage over here. The size of the garage. And you got your little half bathroom here on the main floor. And we'll check this out last, but this will take you down to the basement. This is the pantry here in the kitchen. You'll see those pins along the back. That's the back of the property line, and that is going to be a 0.16 acre home site. Okay, heading upstairs here. Off to the left here, you're gonna have like an open loft area. Awesome area for the kids to play right here. Then you have these two bedrooms here, but first show you guys the bathroom right here. And then you have bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 right here. And then you got a nice big corner linen closet here in the hallway. Your laundry area, bedroom number 3, and the master bedroom is bedroom number 4. You'll notice this is a really large room, vaulted ceilings, got the ceiling fan up there. Nice big window. Step in the corner real quick over here just to show you guys how much space is here. You'll also notice behind the door, there's some extra shelving there, built-in shelving. Both a shower and a tub. A lot of builders these days are just doing just the shower. You have your toilet area back here. You have a large walk-in closet. Double sinks here as well. So that is an awesome master bathroom. All right, heading on the basement just real quick here. Give you an idea of how much space you have down here and what you can do with it. So you got your furnace and all that stuff in that section here. So you got this extra space back here. You can see there on the floor, you're pre-plumbed for a bathroom. You could put another bedroom back here in this corner, and you could do another bedroom back there as well. Now we're gonna go check out house number 2, which wasn't on the list. This is by the same builder that just showed us house number 1, but this one's about 400 square feet bigger. This house is 3,800 plus square feet, and it's priced at $547,000, right there in that range. This house is getting ready to be painted. You can see when you first walk in here, it's actually a massive office area. Your fireplace here in your family room. This is a really big family room area as well. And then straight ahead, you've got kind of the dining area. You can see they've done a nice big 3-panel door here. Takes you out the back. You got a little trail system here behind you. And there will be a concrete wall on this house as well as the last one that we saw. A nice big kitchen pantry, kind of mudroom area here. That's the door out to the garage. That's the stairs. We'll check out the basement here in just a second. Your coat closet here, as well as your powder bathroom. And then this is your kitchen here. So you can see the island, big massive island here in the middle. And then if I spin around here, just show you the whole kitchen. The cabinets run along this wall, and then that wall as well. Upstairs, you can see this is actually a really wide stairway, much wider than what you normally see. Straight here in front of us, the bathroom. Bedroom number 1 here, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3. Walk into the master bedroom. Once again, this is a huge room, vaulted ceilings, and into the master bathroom here, where you have a separate tub, separate shower area, space here for your toilet, and then a large closet back in this area here. Behind us, you'll have your vanity with double sinks. If you head down the basement, you'll see these stairs are much wider than what you're used to. Let's give you guys a quick zoom here. You got space over here. Over here, you have cold storage underneath the front porch. You can see a whole bunch of square footage here. You got room for another bedroom back here, and then your bathroom area here as well. And some more space back here, which could actually be another bedroom. And here's an image of what the house should look like when it's completed. And this is the floor plan. Hit pause if you need more time. I'm moving on. Now we're on to house number 3. And this is a builder that I've never built with before, so I'm not sure what to expect. This is the one with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It's 2,200 finished square feet. So both the top and the basement is finished on this one as well. As you can see, you got your basement there. We'll check that out last. That has a basement apartment, and it steps into the kitchen. So you can see it's sink and everything's gonna go right here. And this is your whole main floor here. So it's significantly smaller than the last house. Another thing I wanna point out in the backyard here, these are deeper backyards, but you do have power poles behind the house here, if that bothers you. The kitchen pantry. All right, heading up the stairs here. You can see you have bedroom number 1 right here. Bedroom number 2, full bathroom right here. The master bedroom here. Once again, significantly smaller than the last 2 homes that we toured. We'll have double sinks. They have a little window up here. Here's the closet space here. Toilet gonna be there. And a shub, which is a tub shower combo. Coming out of the master, you can see you got your laundry area back in this section. And down to the basement, see there's a laundry area right here. This is gonna be your kitchen dining area here. Furnace in that area there. The bedroom right here. A escape ladder. Closet there. As we head down this hallway. Full bathroom here, which once again comes with a shub. Show you what this looks like. And this is your access to the walkout basement. Wow, that house did not even compare to the other 2. On to house number 4. $539,990. It's giving you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and you're almost 3,000 total square feet. Okay, so you can see we have the stairs going up right here, and you have an office here on the main floor. Come down the hallway here, you can see your coat closet is right here, and here's your half bathroom. And then you have your family room right here. I'll step in this corner here and show you the whole kitchen. I think one major highlight you have here is you don't really have any houses behind you. So you can see the yard is sloped kind of weird on this one. It's a corner lot, but it goes really deep to that corner. And you can see you have like a walking trail here behind you. So that might be really cool. That's something I would strongly consider on this house. And I can tell you this is a big corner pantry here. So I've got plenty of space in there. You can see it's a gas stove, 2-car garage here. Heading upstairs here, you can see it comes into an open loft here. Laundry room here. And you got the master bedroom right here. See, it's a pretty nice sized room. I'll step in this corner over here. Once again, you can see what you got behind you here. Just park space, kind of nice. Pretty big master. Double sinks here. And you have a shower only. You have a closet here, which is nice. Your toilet, walk-in closet. You can see it goes all the way back into here. Now let's check out the other rooms. Past the stairs. Another bedroom here. And these do have walk-in closets. And that gives you a shub. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. And once again, this house only has 3 bedrooms. So we'll head down to the basement. You can see it's just kind of here off the dining kitchen area. See, it gives you this nice big open space down here. And you got space to put another bedroom and It's plumbed for a bathroom. On to the next house. This is priced at $549,990. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,100 finished square feet, 3,371 total square feet. Let's take a quick look at the garage and then step inside here. Okay, so very similar to the last house. You have the stairs going up right here. This is a bigger office area here. It's like a nice big space. Your coat closet right here and your half bathroom. Down the hallway here we go. That is gonna be your entrance to the garage and the basement. We'll check those out in just a minute, but you can see here the kitchen. And I should warn you, all these houses, they're not finished, so they're gonna be dirty. But once again, you can see it's got that large corner pantry back there. And stepping back in this corner here, you can see the dining family area is extremely large, long area. And once again, behind you, now I should point out, you do have a sloped lot here. The backyard slopes a bit, and then you do have this open green space here behind you and the trail. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so coming to the top of the stairs here, you can see there's an open loft here. And you have the laundry room straight ahead. Bedroom number 1 here. Just gonna show you the closet real quick. Here you have your bathroom, and it does give you double sinks, which is nice. Bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4, sorry, 3. Okay, that's 3 bedrooms so far. I'm losing my sanity right now, and then the master bedroom is back through here. They've kind of done this little double entryway here. And I'll step in this corner here. This is a nice sized master bedroom. You can see all that extra space there. Ahead, you can see a shower, double sinks. You have your toilet area back there, and you have a closet here. And your master closet here. And that's it for upstairs. Okay, so coming down to the basement here, you can see once again, it's a nice big wide open space. It's shaped almost exactly like the last one, so it's gonna be very similar. You put your bedroom, and it's pre-plumbed for a bathroom right here. So the huge advantage of those last 2 homes is that the builder's offering awesome financing, a 2-1 buy down with a rate at 3.5% for the first year, 4.5% for the second and third year, and then it goes to a 5.5% fixed for the rest of the loans. That's a pretty good deal. All the homes you've seen so far are down in city center. So now I'm headed to Silver Lake, which is 15 minutes closer to Saratoga Springs. It's basically on the border of Saratoga Springs and Eagle Mountain. When you're looking at the price and value and all that stuff, you do have to consider drive time in that equation. If you work from home, it's probably not that big of a deal, right? You can come out here to City Center and get the best pricing. But when you look at the price of this house and the size and all that, I think this is the best value of all the homes we'll see today. And if you remember, the first one that we were gonna go see originally was sold right before I went to go see it. So this is actually the same floor plan, but the house isn't quite done yet. It's probably about a week from completion. I should also mention, all these builders offer different incentives, and some of the incentives are amazing and some aren't so great. So you can just call or text me to figure out, which house works the best and what incentives are the best and what makes the most sense. And just for the record, the next house that we're seeing, I actually sold one last week to another client. It's their most popular floor plan. They sell a bunch of these and they sell them fast. So the market's picking up, guys. I have been slammed for 2 weeks. So if you're sitting back waiting for rates to drop, that's probably gonna be a mistake. It's better to purchase the house now before prices go up and then refinance when rates drop. That's just my 2 cents on that. Here we are in Silver Lake. This house is priced at $543,655. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,380 finished square feet, and 3,424 total square feet. Okay, so stepping in the front door here, you can see you got a nice wide family room there in front of you, but you also have this big office area in the front. Sitting room, however you want to use that. They call it, I guess, flex rooms these days. You can see how big this is. We'll step in the corner here, look at the backyard really quick. You can see that's a nice sized backyard. And step in the corner, you can see the kitchen and dining area there in front of you, and look how wide this room is. This is a big open space here. You've got a fan, you've got the extra thick countertops, upgraded cabinets, upgraded sink as well. Everything's included but the refrigerator. That's a garage in front of us right here. You have your half bathroom, 2-car garage out here. And this will take us down to the basement, which we'll go see in just a second. Okay, heading upstairs here, you can see, gives you this nice big open loft area here, which is awesome. Your bathroom, mirror still waiting to be installed. Bedroom number 1 right here. Bedroom number 2. You have this nice big closet here. Underroom here. Bedroom number 3 right here. And bedroom number 4, which is your master bedroom. And you notice nice tall vaulted ceilings. This is a big room here, nice big window there. And you can see your bathroom back there, but look how big this room is. Once again, you got the shelves there. Double sinks. Once again, this house isn't quite complete yet. We're still waiting for mirrors and little things like that to be done. But you have the separate tub and shower. You have your toilet area back here and a nice big walk-in closet back here. And if you're thinking this house looks similar to the first house we just saw, it is. It's the same floor plan, same builder. Okay, so coming down to the basement here, you can see you got your furnace, water heater, and this little storage area back here. Then in front of us here, you can see bathroom, and look at all the space back here. Matter of fact, this goes even around the corner just a little bit. So just to show you the space here, a lot of space. You put another couple bedrooms down here if you wanted to. Once again, you're pre-plumbed for a bathroom, and you got another bedroom basically framed out, ready to go right there. And that's it. That was fun, but now I'm done. If you have any questions about these homes or the builders or the incentives, please reach out to me. I'm a new home construction specialist, been in the real estate industry for over 20 years. So you can count on me to give you guys the best tours or the best information, especially when it comes to building a home. That's my specialty. So I'd love to help you buy, sell, or build a home. So feel free to reach out to me with any questions, and we'll catch you next time.